Hey, I'm Whit. Welcome to another unboxing. I've got another steel dive. This is not a true unboxing because I've opened the outer package already. As I mentioned in a previous video, I did buy a few watches at once, and I'm trying to space them out so this doesn't become the all steel dive channel, but I may or may not be doing a good job at that. Today is the SD1979, in homage to the 50 Atmos 1521 from another famous brand. All right, let's get in. Voila! There's my, ooh, yeah! Look at that blue. There's my favorite packaging. Yes. Oh, the hour hand is hiding behind the minute hand. All right, I'll take the packaging off and we'll get into this a little more so we can see it all. Okay, you can see how long it took me to unwrap all that. But now we can see the hands a little better, huh? Nice. Look at that. Oh, that is a great dial. And it's supposed to be a sapphire crystal. Let's check it real quick. Yeah, sapphire. And engineered bracelet. You've got bead blasted coating. And I do like this bracelet. It's got some weight to it by itself. I can tell the bracelet. Very nice engineered style bracelet, and it's also bead blasted, but then high polished on the sides. Yeah, great first look, huh? That is nice. All right, let's check out the bezel. Oh, wow. That's rigid. I don't know if that's good or bad. It's kind of, there's not that great of grip on this coin edge. So the resistance that I'm getting, it's kind of actually hard to move it. But see if I go quicker. You can tell it's just got a real solid feel to it. Not like my SD1970, which just kind of like spins. It has resistance, but just spins easily. And this has got a more chunky feel to it. But yeah, 120 click, unidirectional, and everything lines up. Ceramic bezel insert, and I'm sure that's loomed. We'll give you a loom shot in a while, and we'll figure that out. But look at that. So yeah, that little gap there is just kind of bugging me. First impression, but I guess maybe you put a nice silicone strap on it. Maybe that'd snug up tighter. I'm not sure. Let me show you too the difference. I've got my SD1970 here. Look at the difference in the blue. Oh, it doesn't. It's more subtle here. In person, this watch, the SD1979, is more of a light blue. This appears to be darker in person. I don't know if I can see if I kind of show you, but yeah, it's not really showing up. I mean, you can see it a bit there, right? It's got more here. You got more of that sunburst dial. See that? And then some of it's probably the dome crystal on the 1979, also playing with the light differently. But let's see if I can do this. Okay, you got that versus this. Now do you see? See, that's a little deeper blue. Still kind of hard to tell, but it's just a little shade lighter of blue here on the SD1979. Okay, let's get into the movement. So screw down crown. Oh, you see that beveled edge? That's nice. There you go. Look at that. I love that on the SD1970 too. The way it plays with light on that beveled edge. And oh, before I mentioned it, or forget too, the bezel, it's got just a slight overhang, not much. We'll check it out when I get into measurements. But Yeah, let's get back into the movement. So NH35 by Seiko. All right, same thing. It's got that rough unscrewing. They just don't want to give us a smooth crown threads. Wine's nice. And first click, well, actually, let's go to the second click because I don't know if that's a AM or PM. Okay, looks like it was. And just in case, we're down in the safe zone. All right, first click for date. The first one didn't spin smoothly. These are. Okay, that feels good. Let's see what it does on its own. Oh! You almost made it to midnight. Not bad. It was turning so early there, I thought it was going to pop a lot sooner than that. Okay, so that's good. Get the hands out of the way so we can see this a little better. And we'll screw in. I'm sure that, yep. Yeah. It's rough to catch and rough to screw. So still some work needed from them on the crown threads. Let me see. Let's take a look at the back. Oh, look at this. Did I miss something? All right, here we go. Ooh. Okay, so we've got the green marine logo, and the back is bead blasted as well. So the whole case bead blasted, including the case back. And then you've got the usual signature items, identification items on there, all stainless steel, automatic movement, NH35, dive 200 meter by STEELDIVE. And so that's one thing you could obviously notice the difference between this watch and the one it's paying homage to is the original watch is 50 ATM. And so this would only be 20. But that has got a great look to it. Man, that's a beautiful dial. Yeah, I love that. All right, measurements. So if I measure from the top here, we're at 42.7. Now let's measure from the bottom side. So try not to get the bezel in there, and it is 41.5. Okay, and lug to lug, 50.9. It's got a good, a slight slope there, but look, with this supplied bracelet, I mean, that first link you see just folds there, but also drops all the way down if you want. So if you have a smaller wrist, it can actually come in like that, which would look a little weird. But all right, case thickness is 13.4 with that slightly domed sapphire crystal. That's a good view of it there. And lug width is 22. All right, let's try it on. Today I've got Jerome Lamar's, and you can see a full review of that video. I'll leave the link right there. All right, that's nice. So you can see that space there. That's just really bugging me. I don't know why. I mean, there's a lot of watches that have that. It doesn't look bad. I guess it's just throwing me for a loop. But you can see I've got an 8-inch wrist, and look at that. I mean, you could take out a lot. Well, that has got a great look, huh? All right. First impressions, I'm liking this. Let's get some loom shot to close things out.
Yes, look at that. This is one of the reasons that STEELDIVE is becoming so popular as a brand. They're developing a strong reputation for their incredible loom. I mean, look at this. This is great luminescence. You've got blue on the outer bezel ceramic insert, and then green on the inside, the handset and the indices. And I just love the way this two-color loom looks as well. Some people don't care for it, but and I've seen some watches where it doesn't work, but I think in this one, and just as well in the SD1970, the bicolor loom works well. It just looks great. The two colors really complement each other. And here's a more realistic low light shot where you can see that orange minute hand. Looks great, huh? Hey, if you already hit the like button for this video, thanks a lot. I appreciate it. And if you like my style, I hope you'll subscribe to the channel as well so you can see all my new videos. I'm Whit with so many watches, so little time and money.